Julius is singing. Such a beautiful day today. Today is Friday, April 17th, 2026. And I'm doing this video in my apartment in Port Huron, Michigan. And I have my, let's see, it's, I got a commercial on my TV right now. Okay, now it's back. I've got I'm watching the elegant jazz, piano music, cozy fireplace, crackles and rainy coffee shop ambience for study, relaxed jazz atmosphere. I'm listening to that on my TV. And here's Julius again. He was singing. I wanted to get him on the video singing. See, I'll take my slippers off, put my shoes on, and go outside. My shoes. Slip into my shoes. Okay, and it's 3:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Port Huron, Michigan. It's my garden flag. Right there, welcome. And the buds are coming out on the burning bush shrubs. There's two of them. There's the buds, the green buds coming out on them. Get a close up of it. Get really close to it. Okay, it's my apartment, and here I am. Hi, Joanne Marie Rumford in Port Huron, Michigan. And it's a sunny day, and I'll focus on the sun. There's the sun. I think I got it in. Okay, so I'll go back in the apartment here. And listen to the rain on the TV. And the fireplace crackling. We'll get in it. Hello. And there's the mirror. Get in the mirror. I put my shorts on yesterday. And I'll get in this here with Julius. We say hi. Happy Friday. Happy weekend coming up. Yeah. I hope you could hear Julius singing in the beginning of the video. He stopped singing now. Okay, I'm going to say goodbye. Joanne Marie Rumford, Port Huron, Michigan, Friday, April 17, 2026. Have a great Friday and weekend. Take care. Bye.